ready for it. I'm jumping right into it. In this video, we're going to be showing you our brand new speakers that we just got in. So we always try to listen to you guys on what you're requesting from us, and this time people were requesting great budget friendly speakers and a couple other items, but we're just going to talk about our most budget friendly speakers that we just got in today. Had a 40-foot container roll in, and as you can see over here we have the SFX80s and the SFX65s. 4P, it stands for 4 ohm and a pair. These come as a pair, and right now for about another week we're going to have them on introductory pricing, $34.99 for a pair of 6.5-inch speakers. So we're going to go over these a little bit with you and show you the two different models. So obviously we got 6.5s and 8s because that's the most popular size, and in 4 ohm because who runs 8 ohm mids? I know you're going to have some people that say, oh, I run 8 ohm mids, but 95% of people run 4 ohm mids. So just got them 8 and 4 ohm right now. But if we have a ton of people in the comments say I need 8 ohm mids, then maybe we'll make some 8 ohm mids, but just a couple of them. Alright, so we're going to get started with the SFX65 4 ohm right here. So we have those in front of us. Alright, so on the back of the box you're going to see size 6.5 type mid-range loudspeaker. Sensitivity 92 dB, sold as a pair just like I said. Magnet material is ferrite, voice coil size 1 inch, frequency response 100 Hz to 9,000. So and like I said, 4 ohm. So this is going to give you, well, people will debate on mid bass, but I view 100 Hz as pretty good mid bass, and this is going to give you a really good strong response from 100 to 9,000. There's mids out there that do a wider range, but they can have a pretty quick drop-offs on either end, and like speakers are going to have their strong points obviously, but they'll play it, but it's going to have big drops on either side. But this is going to be super strong, 100 Hz to 9,000, so a good mid-range speaker. And as you can see, it's not that deep. It's not a shallow speaker by any means, but it's not that deep either. If you're trying to put these in factory door panels or something like that, you're probably not going to have any issues with that. So the cutout for them is 5.75 inches. We did all the measurements for you, and the depth of the whole thing is, let's see, well, that's from the top. So from the flange right here to the bottom is going to be 2.6 inches deep. So that's from the magnet to the mounting flange right here, mounting flange to the bottom of the magnet right here, 2.6 inches. And you can see the back and the front of these. So it has a phase plug in there. Got the double roll surround on here. And yes, we did the stamped steel basket. Again, people were wanting super budget friendly, and for right now $17 a speaker, don't be asking for nothing else, man. Like, you wanted something insanely budget friendly, we brought it to you right now on this introductory pricing. And even regular pricing is probably not going to be $10 more than that. So you can get a set of great sounding 6.5-inch mids for under 40 bucks. So that's pretty crazy. Again, no frills on the mounting tabs. Mounting tabs. The speaker connections here, you're just going to do your regular spade terminals here. Stamped steel basket, decent sized magnet, but this is going to be, in my opinion, the best that you will be able to get for under 20 bucks, under 25 bucks. This is going to be a very strong contender for sure. Let's look over this. We may have already talked about this. Frequency response 100 to 9,000, voice coil diameter, resonant frequency 109 Hz, so it's going to play mid bass, in my opinion, very well. Anyway, we'll let y'all scan over this. I'm not going to go over every single thing, but if you would like to, you can go on the website, it'll be on there, or you can pause the video and read over this until your heart is content. So that's going to be the 6.5, and don't forget, it says warranty info. This product can have a warranty from 1 year of the date of purchase on manufacturer defects that are from the factory. This does not cover abuse of the product, and signs of this usually show up as a burnt voice coil. Signs also include, but not always, if the user accidentally pokes a hole in the speaker, which will damage the speaker and is not covered. I can't tell you, I need to make a whole video on this. I can't tell y'all how many times people will jab a screwdriver, like it'll be like right next to the mounting hole, really close to the mounting hole on a speaker, right? So somebody will message us and there'll be a big hole right here, and they're like, hey, you sent me a speaker with a big hole in the surround. And we're instantly like, bro, come on, man. Like, you really think we were born yesterday? We've all poked holes in speakers, and this is a great time for you to learn to be responsible for your actions. I know that burns a lot of people, because these days nobody wants to be responsible for anything. They want to point the finger at everybody else and put the blame on everybody else. But hey, you can always become a better person by taking responsibility for your actions. And a lot of times if somebody admits to it, I'll give them a great deal on a replacement just because they manned up to their screw up. Again, I've poked holes in subwoofers and speakers. Everybody's done it. So don't be embarrassed. Just own up to it and move on. Anyway, so that's why we put that in there. Don't run your screwdriver through there trying to mount a speaker and then try to say, oh, you sent me a bad speaker, I want to warranty this. I'm like, no, bro, that's not covered under warranty. Anyway, so that's going to be the 6.5 for these. Again, they're right now they're $34.99. Insane value. I'm not going to beat that anywhere. And up next we have the 8-inch, which is pretty much the same thing, but it's just bigger, obviously. It's the 8-inch. And let's flip this over. I don't know. Yeah, it has a mounting. So this pretty much tells you everything. It comes with this spec sheet in there, but if you want to just grab that in good focus so they can...
I'll grab it at the end of the video.
Okay. So that way y'all can take a look at it and until your heart is content. Anyway, we'll go over the main stuff. Size is 8-inch, mid-range loudspeaker. RMS power 225 watts. Did I miss the power rating on the one? I think I missed the power rating. I saw it on the back. 100 watts RMS. So the 6.5, 100 watts RMS. You could pair. We'll probably actually do a combo pack with the JP84 and 4 of these. It'll be awesome. Very awesome thing there. And these being 175 watts, we'll probably compare. We'll probably pair it up with the JP234, which is what we have hooked up to this speaker right here that we will be playing for you guys. But anyway, sold as a pair. Magnet is ferrite, and then you have 1-inch voice coil. Frequency response on this is 90 hertz to 9,000. So obviously being an 8, it'll be able to play lower a little bit better, give you a little bit better mid bass. And you got 4 ohm on that. The measurements on this is going to be, let's flip it over this way. You already see that one. Alright, the measurement on this is going to be, the cutout on the width is 7.36. So from the mounting flange here to the other side is 7.36, which is demonstrated right here, or displayed. And then the mounting depth right here is 3.38 inches. So a little bit less than 3.5 inches deep on the mounting depth, which is really good for a 8-inch mid, in my opinion. And now we're going to play these speakers for you. I mean, you know, playing speakers over a YouTube video, it is what it is. But for some reason, people love it. So we are going to play these speakers for you and get a little distance test or something. Man, we're so packed tight in here right now. We got stuff everywhere. I've just been ordering product, coming out with new stuff, because y'all keep requesting it. But this is the super budget friendly 6.5 and 8-inch mids that we came out with for the people that are wanting to fill their entire door panels up for like 200 bucks. You could get your whole door panel rocket for like 200 bucks. Obviously you gotta make the door panel and everything, but you could fill your whole door panel up for like 200 bucks. You have a crazy amount of speakers in there. 10 speakers, whatever. Alright guys, that's going to be part 1 of the SFX loudspeakers that we just dropped, so stay tuned for part 2. In this video, we're going to be doing a giveaway of our brand new speakers that we just got in, the SFX model. And if you would like to enter that, it's going to be super easy. First thing you need to do is watch the video in its entirety, check out the speakers and the value that we brought to you guys. That is going to be the 6.5s are less than 20 bucks a piece. If you're trying to pack a door panel full of speakers, check these out for sure. But anyway, we're going to be giving away a pair of 6.5s or 8s. And the way that you enter to do that is all you have to do is obviously be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, hit the like button, and then go down in the comments and comment. I would pick the 6.5, the SFX 6.5. You have to put the model number in there too, SFX65 or SFX 8s. So I'm gonna pick those, like whatever model it is, and I would put it in the doors of my whatever and power them with whatever amp. Something simple like that. It doesn't have to be super long, but that will get you entered. And within 24 hours, we will go through and pick a random person and congratulate them. You'll see a comment that says, "Congratulations, you're the winner of the SFX giveaway." Shoot us an email or post your email, and we'll send you an email. And we'll contact you and get you your set of speakers that you would like. So also be sure that the comment that you see is not a scammer, because you know they're everywhere on like Down4Sound, trying to scam Down4Sound people, or the Life of Price YouTube channel people. So make sure that the comment is actually my YouTube channel. It says The Life of Price, and it has a verification check mark beside it. To further verify that, you can click on the YouTube channel and go over to my actual channel, and you'll see that we have over 2,500 videos there. So that'll let you know it's not some scam channel that just popped up and is trying to take advantage of people. But anyway, let's get one lucky winner a set of these speakers, and that's how you enter. We'll check you out in the next video. If you need to check these out, if you want to grab a set of these, hit the description and you'll see links directly to these speakers, and you can grab 1 or 50 pairs of them if you would like, and we'll get you taken care of. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under The Life of Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.